Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss vibration measurement using an accelerometer on a three-phase induction motor. Step 1. Project Setup. First, open LabVIEW software. Create a new project folder and give it a suitable name. Once the project is ready, you will see the front panel. On this panel, you need to select the physical channel of the cDAQ device that is connected to the piezoelectric accelerometer sensor. In most cases, you will have 4 channels available: AI0, AI1, AI2, and AI3. The accelerometer can be connected to any of these channels. Two, sensor configuration. After selecting the channel, the next step is to configure the sensor. Choose the sensitivity value of the piezoelectric accelerometer carefully. Then, select an appropriate sampling rate for the sensor. This ensures that vibration data is captured accurately. Once everything is set, click Start cDAQ to begin the acquisition. Step 3. Motor and VFD setup. Before collecting vibration data, make sure that the three-phase induction motor is properly connected to the variable frequency drive, or VFD. The VFD allows the motor to operate in 2 conditions. One is forward operation, and the other is reverse operation. When the motor is running in reverse, you must calibrate the VFD, for example, using the CX2000 model to optimize the motor's performance in the reverse direction. After that, run the motor in reverse mode and acquire the required data. Then, switch the VFD back to forward mode and again run the motor to collect the second set of data. In both test cases, you must record the RPM values of the motor. Conclusion. By following these steps, we have successfully performed vibration measurement on a three-phase induction motor using a piezoelectric accelerometer. We configured the sensor, ran the motor under forward and reverse conditions, collected vibration data, analyzed frequency information, and finally, prepared a complete report with graphs and tables. This method helps us not only to understand the vibration characteristics, but also to evaluate the motor's performance under different operating conditions. Thank you.